Okay, now I'm pastor.
It's all right.
So, the able barrister,
Yes, one Irish man in the building. You're always looking fresh. Tired now, as barrister lawyer.
So,
15 years in service.
So, Paulone, what are you barrister?
That is it. Right. I will do that. So, welcome, my dear.
So,
that's my work.
She couldn't buy back away. Now, you Bamno called and give online.
But I don't know.
It's all right.
I'm trustworthy. One Irish man in the building who
what I say by
I believe you.
Pastor. A spiritual DG campaign authority one.
It's all right.
You may have your mom must attacking because spirit attacking.
Okay.
Some for your children don't pass or back. You shang am with Chile.
Very ambadon, very shangela ambadon. Actually, Nyanza you na kido peni and kido politics. Actually, mimi ngukuvenga. Omongo pastor mo le kwa mchi anashega ya. You understand?
No, I say we credit on phone.
When I say mon pano nyalo.
Kana halaga. Chagba po utile shangela ya. Chu ya shangela ya ulu na mokulu. Ama yolu na mokulu. Nana on the rabo on the panano. You understand? Ugu nana on the panano.
Nyaraka zayoga.
Muka nyaraka zayogi moka. The one and only shima in the building.
Alunala jebe shangela po ya. On the van de boom we buna chi.
Na go attacking you back teaching we van attacking mo.
Msenka kwaga chi, msenka kwaga.
For 50 years
msenka kwaga we same tata he. We same tugbe se ah.
Dahanga. Driver on the driver no work.
Okay.
Next by you, come next by you, come next by you.
Okay.
I trust you.
All right.
Kaza yoga.
You must never call them.
Kaza yoga Jimichi. What am I here for?
That is good. Don't forget to come church on Sunday. You can come with your members, people around you, all those politicians. You come with them. Don't forget offering your welcome. Understand?
We couple Ulaga. We
shutting down the club. So Mohigeniaga. I've been na decision in a John politics now. Who was saying we panning
as a barrister?
Na yaga
Millions, billions.
We don't really say that without wearing.